Alright guys, another Beaver product I bought here a while back. If you remember one of my other videos, I was working on this car lift and I put the pump on it and it worked, but both cylinders were leaking profusely. So in the meantime, I've repacked both those cylinders, made a new line. Of course, I've got just a old hot car battery on it, but we're going to lift it up, see how she works. I don't remember how high this thing's supposed to go, 30 some odd inches I guess. Just right for getting stuff up to a good working height. You're not having to bend over. Or if you're doing a car, you want to change all four wheels, you can do it all at once. Oh yeah, that goes plenty high. Alright, we're going to leave that right there. I've got the lock off of it. We're going to see if it bleeds down any. See how well I repacked these cylinders. And hopefully nobody will come by and hit the down button. I need to get, there's supposed to be a cable that goes through here, and it had a handle, like a brake grip, to release that trip so you could drop it down. I will put all that back on it eventually, but I also want to make something where I can make all the hydraulics with a quick connect, where I can take that off without fluid leaking. But for now, there we have it. Got the little mini Bobcat up in the air. We'll have that finished up soon, hopefully, as soon as I can get some lines made for it and the correct wheels and tires put on it. And head over to the channel, guys. You can see the rest of the video where I did the rebuilding on these cylinders, and an even previous video where I was just first time hooking the pump up to this, leaking fluid everywhere, testing it. So hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Later.